I have a message. I have a very big question to ask women. I mean, Nigerian women. I have a very big question. I want to ask you, you woman watching this video, who is your next of kin in your working place and in your bank? Because this question is a very serious question. Go and check record. 90% of men around the world, immediately they got married, they will go to their bank, to their office, and change all their documents in case if anything happened to me tomorrow. They will use their wife and their children to do the next of kin. But the question today is, you married woman, in that your bank, who is your next of kin? Is it your husband and your children, or is it your family? That is a question. Today, I'm not going to talk much. This is a proof of love. When I say men love women more than women love the men. Men have shown the whole love they know. They carry you, they marry you, marry your children, marry your entire family. That is a proof of love. That is a proof of love. But you, a married woman, in that your bank account, who is your next of kin in case if something happened to you? Is it your husband? That is the question. You can check record. 90% of women do not use their husband as next of kin. Where all these flies coming from? I mean, 90% of women do not use their husband as next of kin in case if anything happened to me. But go and check record. 90% of men, immediately they marry, automatically they will go to their working place, all their business, they will change it in the name of their wife and their children. Even when they never even have children, immediately they marry, they change it to their wife's name. I'm asking you, all of you who hate men so much, who say my husband do it, complain and complain, go and check. This is a proof of love. A man who, you don't know when this man work, you don't know when this man started work, you don't know how he go to school, you don't know how this man suffered. But when immediately married you, he will transfer everything he has to your name and your children's name immediately. But your own uncle, when I say men, take care of yourself, take care of your old age, so that if the women fail, the children fail, you will see where to fall back at. Because today's question is a question to women. If you're a man watching this video, if you're a married man, ask your wife, who is your next of kin in that your bank account? If you're a man watching this video and you have a brother, a sister, ask that your sister, who is your next of kin? Is it your husband and children, or is it your own family? I want to share a very brief story about women. When a woman, a mama now, mama have 2 daughters and have a son, one son. The son will marry, and the mama 2 daughters will marry too. When they marry, when that mama waka go the daughter place and see say the son-in-law they wash clothes, they sweep house, they treat the daughter well, mama will feel happy and she will talk about it. She will tell everybody, say, how my son-in-law na God sent, my son-in-law na God sent, na God give me this son-in-law, he love my daughter well, he did even wash clothes, he did even cook for my daughter. She will be happy. She will go to her second daughter's place. The same thing. The son-in-law is doing everything, treat her well, sweep the house, bath the children, do everything, sponsor everything. Mama will be happy. Listen, when you see how dangerous Nigerian women can be. I don't know about other women, I mean Nigerian women. When she now go to her own son's house, and see say her son dey wash cloth, or her son dey cook for the wife, she go say they don use juju on the son. She go begin call all her daughters say, do you know say your brother dey wash cloth now for woman? Do you know say your brother now dey cook for a woman? Say na juju, or the juju don catch am. She go begin cry, say juju don catch him son. You see how wicked women can be? Very wicked set of people.